Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this cute fall glam look. All you need are some fall glam looking eyeshadows. I'm using my James Charles palette and some gold glitter, anywhere you can get some. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so I took this side off because I'm going to be showing you on this side. I'm just going to keep this on. And I just left my eyebrow on too. But, you know, we gotta put some type of primer on top of our lid. So I'm gonna take my ABH concealer palette and I'm gonna be taking a light shade in there and prime my lid with that. Just like that. And then I'm going to be taking some CoverGirl powder. Just any powder is fine. You don't have to use a specific powder. And I'm going to put that on top of the concealer. Now I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in Precious Petals. Now going into the eyeshadow, I am going to be popping up a picture of the James Charles palette, and each time I'm going to be highlighting with a little star or something, just like something for you guys to know which shade I'm taking. And I'm going to be taking the first shade, which is Tune. Yes, it's Tune. I'm going to be taking on this fluffy brush, and I'm going to add that as a transition shade right here. Now we're gonna go in with Code James, and I'm gonna be taking 2 taps of that and also blending with the same brush into my transition as a transition shade. Alright, now I'm going to be taking a different fluffy brush, which is look like this, and I'm going to be taking 10% off, which is a little bit darker shade, tapping it off once. I dipped it in it twice, and then I'm just going to deepen it up. Now finally, to tie off all the matte shades, I'm taking this kind of brush, and I'm going to be taking No Beans, tapping it twice and then tapping it off twice, and carefully getting it on my outer V. Done. Now I'm going to be taking my concealer palette again, and I'm going to be half cutting my crease and following my lid shape. So now I'm gonna go in with the transition shade, the second to deepen it up shade, and then the outer V again. Now with the flat side of my brush, I'm going to be taking Halloween, which is this red shade in there. Again, popping it up on the screen. And I'm going to carefully put that on my lid first. This is the first shimmer shade that we're going to be using on our lid. And I'm just going to blend it. Excuse me. Next, I'm going to be taking So Good, which is this gold. And I'm taking 2 taps in each of them. And I'm blending that with Halloween. Make it look snatched. And then I'm going to be taking 1 tap of ring light. And also mixing that in. Just to make this pretty kind of looking shimmer shade. Alright, so you guys don't have to go out and like spend your money on the James Charles palette and stuff. You guys can also use any other eyeshadow palette you have that are like fall colors and still do this look. I got these glitters at Glamify Me in the mall for 50 cents each, which is not bad for this much glitter. And I don't use this glitter often, but I need to start using it again because it's cute. I mean, yeah. But I'm not going to be doing this yet. The next step I'm going to be doing is taking my Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara and curling my eyelashes just because I want them to make my falsies look real, kind of. Because people think these are my real lashes, but they're not. So I'm just going to curl and quit babbling. This mascara, such a good mascara. Now I'm gonna be taking my fake eyelash, flipping my mirror to the magnifying excuse me, side, so it's zoomed in on my ugly face. And then I am going to be taking the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. It's the dark kind, and it has aloe in it. Just gonna carefully put that on my lash. And then like any glue remaining on the edge, I do just wipe that off on my hand. It helps me know when my glue is going to be tacky because I did the same time I did. Then I'm taking my tweezers. I'm putting it like, okay, this is gonna be hard to show you guys, but basically I just shimmy the way through the crack a little bit, and one side's like on top and the other side's like on the bottom. And I'm just gonna let that dry, and this part's going to be cut out because it takes me a while, so it'll be to the part where I'm putting my eyelash on. Alrighty, my lash is on. I won't do that again, I promise. Alright, it is on very nicely. And the eyelashes are so the eyelash is on, and the eyelashes that I use are from Ardell. They're the sultry_A, and they're natural and they're really cute and like they're flirty. I don't know words, okay? Because I don't listen to me. But now I'm going to be going in with some glitter. I'm going to be taking this glitter primer, which is like glitter glue from Beauty Creations. Got this at Glamify Me. Be taking this, and then my gold glitter with a tiny little kind of detailed brush. Let me not drop it. Then I'm going to be putting some on my brush and packing that there. And that's it. So here is the finished fall look, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, do not forget to follow me on my social media. That would be down in the description box below. And I have a makeup account now, so make sure you guys follow that. I'm going to be posting like little makeup videos on there. I'll be posting some makeup looks. And I think I've posted my Halloween look that I was for Halloween, but I'm not pretty sure. But I love y'all and hope to see you guys next time, and bye.